Do you want to know how you can log into your Classic SBI Mutual Fund account? If yes, then I'm here to help you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Classic SBI Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Classic SBI Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of SBI's Mutual Fund. You can see that you can log in using your password or OTP. So write down your user ID if you want to log in with OTP and click login with OTP, and you can notice that your mail or your phone number will be registered and you can get an OTP. Write down the OTP number and then you can log in using OTP. If you want to log in using password, go ahead and click on it. Write down your user ID over here, your password, and then click login. This way you can log in using your password as well. You can hide or unhide your password anytime by clicking on this eye icon. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, these are the link for you to recover your account again. If you want to skip all of this and want to sign in with Google, just go ahead and click sign in with Google. Select your Google account and click continue to sign in with SBI, and in a while, if you have an account, you will notice that you will log into your SBI Mutual Fund account using your Google. I hope this video about how you can log into your SBI Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.